Welcome to Propel. I'm Martin, and in this video, I'll show you how to create personalized AI-generated intros using the Propel plugin for Gmail. Propel's AI intro feature allows you to create custom, tailored introductions for your emails. Our AI references the most recent articles or industry topics related to your desired journalist contact, making your pitch more relevant and impactful. Personalized pitches can boost your response rates by 3 to 5 times compared to generic ones, so let's dive in. First, let's start with Gmail. Log into your Gmail account and ensure the Propel plugin is enabled. To begin, select Compose and then choose Pitching Initiative. Next, hover over Select Media List and choose this media list. Then, select the journalist contacts you want to reach out to. Now, it's time to customize your message. Add your desired messaging, including any variables if applicable, and then click Insert AI Intro. Once the AI-generated prompt is inserted, move it to the desired location within your email. To finalize, select Generate Drafts, then click Continue. If needed, fill in any placeholder values and hit Submit. Lastly, don't close your window just yet. Verify that your mail merge drafts have been saved, then open and review the results. Remember, the draft may be blank if there's no recent article to reference or if the industry is not detailed in our database. And that's it. You've successfully created personalized AI intros in Gmail, making your pitches more relevant and increasing your chances of getting a response. For more tips and tutorials, check out this playlist here or contact support. Thanks for watching.